What if I told you you can create a layout plan using AI in a matter of seconds? Let's discuss how we can use AI to make floor plans. So here is an app, Market AI, that is the website, and inside that, if you go, first of all, you need to log in, and after once you logged in, uh, you would find this kind of interface where you would be asked to create a new uh, floor plan. Just click on this. After that, it will ask you for the inputs, how many number of floors you require, what will be the floor plan area, what will be the floor plan shape, referred rooms, and additional requirements. So in the left hand side, it will ask for the floor number of floors you require. So for free version, only one floor option is there, and let's go ahead and select one floor only. Now it will ask for the most straightforward way to design. How much floor space are you aiming for? So I have to provide my area. So that is 100 meter squares. I'll type this. Now it will ask for a general shape in mind if I have. So I can go on the plus sign and I can use any shape I require, or I can just lengthen this. This is a custom shape. So I can lengthen this edges as well. So let's say I have this shape in mind and I would want my entry from this part only, and this is the shape I would be having. So I'll just select this, use this shape, and next it will ask for the preferred rooms. So I have to include what rooms, how many types of rooms we require. So I'll start with entry vestibule, then a living hall, dining space, kitchen, and I'll write a closed kitchen, attached master bedroom with a attached toilet, and a guest bedroom. Let's hit the enter key and see what happens. So it will ask for the confirmation, and it will ask for any additional requirements which I would be requiring. So I would require that the entry needs to be from the L side. So I'll write entry should be from the L shape of the layout. Let's see what happens. So it will take a few minutes to generate, and let's wait for a few minutes. So after a few minutes, we have this layout which has been created. It has created different kinds of furniture. So this so my preferred requirement was the entry must be from the L corner. So here it is, the entry is from here. So this is my entry vestibule, and once I select this area, it will be showing the floor area for that entry. So this is the entry. If I select anything else, so this is a corridor and its floor area is provided. Uh, Currently, it is showing the unit is in inches and square feet. So if you want to change the unit, you just need to go into this settings and go into measurement unit, select metric unit. So once you select metric unit, and then after that you select the floor area, uh, it will show the floor area and the interior space length in meters. So this is our entry, and we have a dining space over here. This over all space is hall. This is a common toilet. We have a wardrobe here as well. uh, this is a master bedroom, and this one is the second bedroom. And you can say that uh, for the initial step, this layout would help us, but eventually you have to work on it. This is a very uh, generalized layout which has been made. So if you want to make adjustment that you are clear in this layout only, you can select any furniture you want. You can move it to your desired location. You can move your kitchen closet also. If you want to add any new element to this layout, just like if you want to provide a new door, a new window, or furniture, or a staircase, so for that you need to go into this plus icon over here. Just click on that, and it will show you the various categories, how it is divided. So if I want a staircase, I'll select this. So currently we have very limited options, that is a straight staircase or a U-shaped. So, of course, there is a lot of improvements that need to be done, and AI is in the growth phase. But as an architect, we need to be aware of the possibilities, how how the industry is changing. So we need to adapt it accordingly. Uh, this software would definitely help us in the initial stages, and eventually we have to work on it, because this is not the whole part. So we have a major role to play in it. Only AI cannot design things like that. So the compatibility between AI software and tools like Revit is improving every day, and very soon we'll see even smoother workflows, better accuracy, and direct integrations that can completely transform how we design. So, as architects and BIM professionals, it's important for us to adapt early and stay ahead of the curve. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to ArchiTools, because we'll be bringing you more valuable insights, practical workflows, and latest updates in AI and BIM. See you in the next video.